am Sriram of Puducherry School. I belong to SP Robotics, Puducherry. This is my expert level project. This is my expert level project, Arduino Radar. Component I have used PC, uploading cable, ultrasonic sensor, Arduino and jumper wires. Working model of the project. When an object or an abstract comes before this ultrasonic sensor, this will be automatically sensed as a red image in this screen. Demo of my project. Here it shows the red sign. Here also. It shows the angle at which angle it is related and distance also. The distance comes here and angle comes here. Thank you for watching my video.